Follow the steps on how to make text with paint effect on grass using Photoshop. Let's start by inserting grass background. Insert text. Then go to Filter, Blur, and add Gaussian blur. Adjust the radius. Right-click on the layer and open Blending Options. Hold Alt and separate these handles. Here I set it around 200. And this one is around 80. Double-click the thumbnail to edit the text. Press Ctrl S, then go back to the previous tab. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.